Exercise files are paired with CADLearning product libraries, lessons, and skills assessments to give users hands-on practice and ensure that they can successfully perform tasks in real-world scenarios. If a lesson includes exercise files, you will find them under the resources below the video. Depending on the file type and version, lesson-level exercise files will appear in one of two ways, as links or as slugs. The links allow you to open the exercise file via A360. From A360, you can view and download files. An exercise file slug indicates the name of the associated file. If files are saved as slugs, navigate to the root of the product library, make sure you have the correct version open, and download the associated zip file. The zip file may be downloaded directly from the product library in the Resources section under Exercise File Download, Course. Or it may be downloaded via a link to A360. Once the zip is downloaded, simply locate the file with the same name as the slug. Also in the Resources section of the product library, you will find the exercise files that are required for skills assessment questions. You can download the assessment files under Exercise File Download, Assessment. Questions will include the name of the file you need to work with for that question. Simply find the matching file in the exercise download and open it in your program. Then answer the question.